In the world of gaming smartphones, where performance meets innovation and raw power merges with futuristic design, Nubia has once again set the bar sky high with its upcoming flagship, the RedMagic 11 Pro, a device that not only marks the dawn of a new generation of mobile gaming, but also redefines cooling technology as we know it. Because yes, this is officially the company's first ever water-cooled gaming phone, powered by the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and ahead of its grand launch on October 17th, 2025, Nubia has shared jaw-dropping official photos that showcase every inch of this beastly machine, confirming that it's more than just another smartphone. It's a technological marvel built for gamers who demand extreme. Now, let's dive into what makes this device so special and why it's already capturing the attention of the entire tech community. The RedMagic 11 Pro is not just about raw specs. It's about pioneering new frontiers in performance and thermal efficiency. For the first time in smartphone history, Nubia has integrated a water cooling system within a mobile device, visible through the transparent editions of the phone, revealing intricate water channels that run through the chassis like veins in a mechanical organism. Imagine looking at your gaming phone and seeing the lifeblood of cooling technology flowing through it. That's exactly what Nubia wants you to feel. The combination of water cooling and an active cooling fan spinning at staggering 24,000 revolutions per minute ensures that the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 can unleash its full potential without breaking a sweat, maintaining consistent frame rates, and eliminating throttling during marathon gaming sessions. And yet, despite this mechanical complexity, the RedMagic 11 Pro proudly boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, a monumental leap over its predecessor's IP54 certification, proving that engineering brilliance can coexist with durability and real-world usability. For context, most gaming phones sacrifice water resistance for better airflow, but Nubia has shattered that limitation entirely. This means you get liquid cooling, fan cooling, and waterproofing, all in one elegantly designed package, something that no other brand has managed to achieve so far. Looking at the back of the device, the official photos reveal a brand new camera layout, featuring what appears to be a 50-megapixel primary camera, complemented by 2 additional lenses for ultra-wide in-depth functionality. While gaming phones have traditionally treated photography as an afterthought, Nubia seems to be striking a balance here, offering a camera system that can stand proudly alongside flagship devices, while still prioritizing gaming performance. The overall rear design screams aggression and sophistication, with a futuristic aesthetic that complements the RedMagic brand's signature RGB lighting and transparent components. On the front, things get even more exciting. The RedMagic 11 Pro continues the trend of a true full-screen display with an under-display front camera, meaning your immersive gaming experience remains completely uninterrupted, with no notches, no punch holes, just a pure, seamless screen. That's the kind of detail that defines a gaming masterpiece. Now let's talk power. Multiple reports suggest that the RedMagic 11 Pro will pack a monstrous 8,000 mAh battery, ensuring hours of nonstop gaming, streaming, and multitasking without worrying about your device dying mid-battle. And with Nubia's reputation for ultra-fast charging, you can expect top-tier charging speeds to get you back into game in minutes, not hours. Add to that a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and you have a phone that combines security, speed, and futuristic technology into one cohesive experience. But perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect is how Nubia managed to incorporate water cooling without compromising the phone's structure or aesthetics. The transparent design lets you literally see the innovation at work, a mesmerizing visual feature that makes the RedMagic 11 Pro stand out from the crowd. When you think about it, this isn't just about keeping the phone cool. It's about redefining what's possible in smartphone engineering. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's latest powerhouse, already promises massive performance gains over its predecessors, offering lightning-fast processing, next-level AI integration, and console-grade graphics rendering capabilities. Pair that with Nubia's proprietary gaming optimization software, and you're looking at a device that could easily be the most powerful gaming phone of 2025. The inclusion of the Red Core R4 gaming chipset, which works in tandem with the Snapdragon SoC to optimize frame rates, reduce latency, and enhance haptic feedback, further cements RedMagic's dominance in mobile gaming performance. The cooling system, with both water and air working together, is expected to drastically lower temperatures even under the most demanding workloads, allowing the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 to maintain top speeds without throttling, something that even traditional gaming phones struggle to achieve. The Cube Power Game Engine 3.0, Nubia's in-house optimization suite, will fine-tune the gaming experience by balancing performance, power efficiency, and image quality, giving players smooth gameplay with minimal power consumption and longer battery life. And that's not all. The display is rumored to offer up to 2K resolution with a 165Hz refresh rate, meaning the RedMagic 11 Pro won't just perform like a beast. It'll look like one too, delivering silky smooth visuals that make every animation and frame come alive. Pair this with the under-display camera and ultra-thin bezels, and you've got an edge-to-edge display that feels more like a gaming monitor than a phone. The audio experience is expected to be equally immersive, featuring dual stereo speakers with DTS. X Ultra support for 3D spatial sound, because no great gaming experience is complete without great sound. Combine that with low-latency Bluetooth audio for wireless gaming headsets, and the RedMagic 11 Pro becomes the ultimate weapon for mobile gamers and content creators alike. What makes this launch even more exciting is how Nubia has perfectly timed the reveal ahead of its official October 17th debut in China, building anticipation and fueling speculation about what other features might be announced during the event. If history is any indicator, Nubia could also launch a RedMagic 11 Pro Plus variant, or even introduce new gaming accessories like the ROG Tesson-style mobile controller to enhance the experience further. And while many details remain under wraps, the combination of official photos, leaked specs, and Nubia's own teasers paint a clear picture. This phone is a game changer, literally and figuratively. It's a bold statement from Nubia to the industry, saying, "We're not just keeping up with the competition, we're rewriting the rules." With the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, dual cooling architecture, IPX8 water resistance, massive battery, and sleek design, the RedMagic 11 Pro stands as a symbol of how far gaming phones have come. It's not just a performance device. It's a piece of engineering art. The RedMagic brand has always been about pushing limits. But this time, it feels like they've gone beyond even their own expectations. Fans are already buzzing online, calling it the Liquid Beast and the coolest phone on the planet. And based on everything we've seen so far, those titles aren't far off. If you're a gamer, content creator, or tech enthusiast, this is one launch you won't want to miss. The October 17th event in China will likely showcase the phone in action, highlight benchmarks, and reveal pricing details. And trust me, the competition, from Asus ROG to Lenovo Legion, will be watching closely. So, keep your eyes peeled, because the RedMagic 11 Pro might just redefine what we expect from gaming smartphones moving forward. And as always, when the official details drop, you can count on us to break it all down for you in the most detailed and exciting way possible. So, what do you think? Are you ready for a phone that combines water cooling, 24,000 revolutions per minute fans, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 power, and IPX8 durability all in one device? Because the RedMagic 11 Pro is here to make that dream a reality. And with that, we wrap up today's breakdown of Nubia's upcoming flagship gaming monster. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for more updates on the RedMagic 11 Pro and other groundbreaking tech launches. This is your host signing off, and you're watching TechVerse, where innovation meets performance and every bite tells a story. So, if you're a true gamer or a tech enthusiast, the RedMagic 11 Pro should be on your radar. With water cooling, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 power, and futuristic engineering, it's set to be 2025's ultimate gaming smartphone. Stay tuned, because we'll cover every new reveal and hands-on right here on TechVerse, your home for everything tech, innovation, and performance.